Hello guys, welcome to another light streak tutorial in After Effects. So let's start. First, select your footage and make lock. Hello guys, right click, create a new solid, and right here, Saber. Press enter and go to effect, go to video compiled, select Saber Light. And now turn off your layer and select pen tool. Hello guys. The camera is moving like this. I need to add the light from here. And then, hello guys, going to right. Hello guys, take a look. Select again, turn on, and press F4. Change the add, change the mode to add. And now go to hello guys, customize core, change to layer mask. You now control the glow spray, bias, and core size. Hold Ctrl on keyboard. Hello guys. So guys, and now I need to add a little bit distortion to the core. Hello guys. Expand the core distortion option and change distortion to energy. Hold Ctrl, change the distortion like this. Hello guys. So guys, it means when you move the line, it will become to animate, it will become to energy. So let me control the start size. Take a look. This is the start size. And now control the end size. Hello guys. Okay guys. And now if you need to animate, select the start offset, control end offset, make 0, and stopwatch end offset, go to 3 seconds, and go to 1 second 15 frame, stopwatch, start offset, go to end of 6 seconds. And now when you play, hello guys, 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 hello guys. Not bad. So guys, hello guys. I need to add another color of the saber light. So how to do this? Select the saber and press Ctrl D. Press U. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Turn off or press M. Control the mask path. Select. Press V for the movement. Select this point. Hello guys. Control the handles. Change the color to red. Take a look. Hello guys, 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 hello guys. So if you need to make 2 different lines in one way. Hello guys. Play. Hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys. Hello guys, 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 hello guys. Great. So guys, and now select both saber light, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate, and right here transform, change to flip horizontal, and right click again. You can change to flip vertical, hello guys, 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 hello guys,
So now select again, change the color of the layer first.
hello guys,
Select first one, change the color to green. Select the next one, change the color to orange.
hello guys, 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 hello
So
guys,
guys, and now time to control the brightness contrast of the footage to look more realistic, cinematic. So how to do this? First, right here, Sunny Converter, double click on the footage and change to log and hold control, slowly control the black point, internal
hello guys,
and control another one,
hello guys, hello guys,
control the white,
hello guys, hello guys, hello guys,
control the gamma. Here's play now.
hello guys,
Nice works.
hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello
So,
guys,
and now I need one more Saber line. Press Ctrl D. A to change
hello
the
guys,
direction to straight.
hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys,
This one going through like this. But to end,
hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys,
so press U for
hello
the
guys,
keyframes
hello
and
guys,
select the Alt keyframe. Hold Alt key
hello
to
guys,
make fast motion.
hello
Play
guys,
now.
hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello
Just
guys,
select the Saber light and control
hello guys, hello guys, hello guys,
the
hello guys,
core size, the glow size, the sprite,
hello guys, hello guys,
and change the color to
hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys,
blue.
hello guys, 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 hello guys,
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to add streak light on the live action footage on the traffic square. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.
hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys,